Hey, Dana here. Hey, welcome to my vlog. This is around the house. Well, the wife likes to leave her lights on in the office here all the time. So, I decided I'm going to get her a motion detector. And if she ever wants to push it manually, she can. But as long as she's in here, the lights will stay on. And when she leaves, it will go out. So this is brand by Legrand. And I'm going to go ahead and put this in today. See how difficult it's going to be. You got different colored caps. Kind of an off. You got white, kind of an off-white, and they give you that tan color. You got three wires: black, red, yellow. There we go. And then you have a ground. First thing we need to do is
mention that the wife don't always leave the lights on.
Get the power off in the office.
I don't always leave the lights on.
Enough. So
sometimes you leave them on.
And that will take the place of this here.
You gonna put one in your office?
Am I putting one in my office?
Yeah, because I've turned your lights off several times.
No, I don't know. I doubt it.
But how come I'm the one who has to have that time?
Because you got a different light system than I got. Alright, so we're gonna...
Well, I'm gonna be really unhappy when I'm in here working and all of a sudden the lights turn out because I haven't moved.
Well, if you move your arm, yeah, you're moving all the time. Yeah,
Hold my wall.
Yeah, it's gonna be difficult getting those out because I've been painted over.
Dude.
A couple times.
Please move my antique mirror before you...
No, I'm not moving the mirror. I'm not moving anything. I'm just moving that out of my way. There we go. Almost. When painted over, you may find that in your house too.
I can't replace that mirror, right?
Pop this out and get this. Real quick, because these will slide right in there and replace that. You just want to make sure you turn your power out and you'll made up your wires.
Your power's not off?
We'll be in a minute. I'll do as much as I can with the lights on.
Sit in here and watch this so I know how to redo it.
I'm really old.
Auto on,
Household
off.
switch.
Oh, manual on, off. So I can turn it on manually.
Yep.
All right.
Okay. Right.
You're just killing time, dude.
There we go.
'Cause I'm going to use this manually. I'm going to use it on auto.
Okay, we'll pull this out. Those wires there. There we go. Turn my light back on. I must have unplugged it already. Must have been a wire.
Ow.
In
Ow.
here. In here. In here. Something in here.
What? There's still power in here. Because everything's still on.
Yeah, just the lighting. Yeah, there's a little, be something inside side here that didn't get connected. Alright, so these have those quick quick push-in locking devices, so I'm going to have to wind up. They're one way. You're not going to release them. They do not want to release. So I'm just going to have to, there's your ground, there's your main power, and then so we got top switches. Main power. You got these two. Black, red, yellow. And then you got your ground. So let's see.
Is that gonna make a difference?
Why are you doing that? You're on and off.
Is that gonna make a difference?
What's gonna make a difference?
Will you keep on touching that, and it keeps on going on and off all by its lonesome self?
Why is it doing that?
I have no idea.
What do you mean?
Is it gonna make a difference?
I gotta fix that.
Oh.
Because that's powered from probably a good old.
Do you need me to clean the rest of this stuff off from here? Because I can.
Nope.
Okay, please don't break none of my stuff.
Natural.
Including my mirror.
Red.
I love you. Please don't break my
Yeah.
mirror. I will try.
Yellow is common. Red is your main lead. Single poles. You get your single pole, your double pole. So right now, those are set up as a single pole. What you want to do is identify it as a single or a three-way, which in this case is a single. This is the top one. You just got two lines coming out plus your ground wire. So that's what you're going to do. Single pole circuit, two single wires connected to screw to see, ground wire may also be present connected to. So after power is turned off at the circuit breaker, remove the wall panel and do that from there. So, alright, that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm messing around while it's hot. Well, it's only 110, but still. Let's see if I can find it. I'm going to see if I find the power to that one.
right. Mother, do you know?
What? Oh shit! I didn't
Hi, Square.
cut that. The fuck is in my head? Here, here, here,
I liked it. I needed my camera.
here, here. Put that somewhere.
Did you see it? I didn't see that. Put it in my seat there. No, you won't. Put this away. No, you're mean. You're mean. You're mean. I hit you with this now. Won't be as fun. It won't be as bad. Still. You know, right? It's not like that. My arm was not on my. Gonna tell my mother beat me with a freaking a foil thing. I'm not gonna tell them. I'll tell her they got me. I'm gonna pay them.
Okay. Okay. Cut these. I got the one little ground wire here. Okay, with that done. Now I gotta get my wire strippers. These here are good, but I need to get. Nah, I need to get my good ones. I got the right tool to do the right job here. Okay, I'm gonna take the saw here. Take those right off of there. That's 3 nuts. And back here, right? My light over here. 2-pole. I'll get a hook. Black's going to line. Oh, green. Okay. So you want to come back in, you want to find out which one of these is hot and cold. Okay, I got power here. If you hit your ground, you should get it to work too. Okay, so this is going to tell you which one of these is your hot wire. These are both. This one's dead. And this one's your hot one. This is going to be a line. It's going to be a red one. Red wire. And you're going to have your black wire going. We'll go turn the power off again.